Alright, so Cannonball Chase Bike Chimera update. I'm still waiting on Ron to finish up the engine, so I don't have the engine back yet, so that's why I've got the bike kind of pushed back in the corner for now. I've got plenty of stuff to work on in the meantime anyway. I've got the ignition switch all modified and done, and I did just make a contact, I hope anyway, that for the speedometer to get that rebuilt. I'm hoping it works out so I can get the thing sent out this week and he can get that all ready to go. And I did find a guy that makes custom stainless steel trim, and worked it out, so I had him make a new trim for the pieces that I was missing. So here's my stainless trim pieces that came in. I gotta thank, you can see it in the video, but McMillan Rod and Custom. Jim McMillan, I spent, I don't know, like a half a day one day calling different shops and custom shops to see anybody that would be willing to try and make me custom stainless trim, polished trim, and he was like the only guy that was even interested in tackling the project, and he did a really nice job. His stuff is, all I sent him was a cardboard template with holes were supposed to be in kind of a rough shape, and that was all he had to work with. So considering what he had to work with, he did a really nice job. And it's all US made stainless, hand polished stainless steel with 6 30-second studs, and really nice stuff. This one is got this one done. See, this was not the chain guard. This would be the opposite side, the Fox chain guard. It's just to make the bike look symmetrical. But looks really good installed. Looks much better than empty holes anyway. I'll get this one installed here shortly, and then I can't bolt them onto the bike because the pieces actually bolt onto the back side of the engine case, so I can't do that until I get the engine back, but I'll do a separate video, of course, final assembly and get them all mounted up.